Okay, so hi guys, how are you all? So in this video we are going to know how can you make a fake WhatsApp account with a fake mobile number or without any number from only one application in 2022. So please keep watching the video and don't skip any steps of this video, because if you won't see the correct steps then this trick will not work. So that's why keep watching the video, and if you like my trick then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start this video. So guys, if you want to create a WhatsApp account with fake number, just open your web browser, and first here you have to download one application. This app is not available in the Play Store, so you have to download APK. Okay, so here you have to search second line APK. Okay, this application name second line APK, and then you can see here are so many website. So scroll down and you can see here the third website, and this website link is in the description, so you can directly click on that link and you can download this. Okay, so you have to click on this website. Okay, and you can see here this application second line second phone number. Okay, and you can see here is one option latest version, so just you have to tap on this latest version, and you can see here download option, so simply you have to click on this download, and then this application will be downloaded in your mobile phone. Okay, download processing will started. Okay, you can see here this app is installing, but I have already installed this application, so I show you directly. So I have already installed, so I simply install it to my device. Okay, you have to click on this install button, and then this app will be downloaded to your mobile phone. Okay, I wait until it's download fully. So this app has been installed, so I open this second line. Okay, this is the interface. Okay, so first here you can see sign up option, so just simply click on this sign up option, and then here you have to type your email address and password. I select my email and now I type my password. Okay, you have to log in, so I type my password and log in. So after you type your password, you can see here tick marks, so just you have to click on this second tick bar, and then this green highlighted sign up option, so just click on this sign up, and now I log into my account. Okay, it's sign up, it takes only few seconds. Okay, I have login, you can see here successfully, and now so simply you have to click on this not now option, allow, click on this allow, and then you can see here get a phone number in your area code. Okay, so here you have to select this guys, don't use my location. Okay, here are two options, use my location and another is don't use location. Okay, so simply click on this don't use location, and here you can see choose a phone number, so here you have to enter area code, so here you have to type 973. Okay, this is United States, I want to create fake number, so I am using this. So simply click on this continue button. After typing 973 of United States, click on this continue button, and you can see here guys, here are so many phone number, you can select any phone number here guys. So I select this second number phone number, and then after you select any phone number here, you have to click on this continue button. Okay, you can see here this is my mobile number currently, you can see here for fake account. Now I open my WhatsApp. Okay, and click on this agree and continue, and you can see here enter your phone number. So here first you have to click on this plus icon, and here you have to type 1. Okay, because this is fake United States, so you have to select United States here guys. You can see here you have to type country code 1. Okay, because UK country code is 1, so I type here +1, and in this phone number section you can see here phone number, so here you have to type this phone number, this fake phone number from this app. So simply copy this number guys. Okay, copy, and simply here type that phone number. Okay, I paste it, and simply click on this next button connecting, so simply click on this OK button, and again click on next, and you can see here OK button, so again click on this OK. Yeah, verifying your number, waiting to automatically detect an SMS sent to this number. Okay, so simply you have to click on this call me option. Okay, you have to click on this call me. Okay, now I will receive a call, so I wait. When this call comes to this fake mobile number, I wait, and you can see here is one small timer. So after this 1 minute begin, after 1 minute complete, then I will receive a call in this fake mobile number. Okay, in this application you can see here second line. So I wait. So now guys, my 1 minute has been complete, and you can see here call me has been enabled. So simply click on this call me, and now I will receive a call. Okay, so you can see here answer. Now I receive. So guys, I have received a call and my verification code in that mobile number you can see here. So simply I type here that verification code. So my code is, so you can see here verification has been complete. So simply click on this continue allow. Okay, so now here you have to type your name. I create my WhatsApp ID, you can see here. So I type here any name. So next. Okay, so now you can see here simply the work has been done. I have created my fake WhatsApp ID. Now I can chat or anything. So I see my profile here. Okay, so example, I have typed this name. So my WhatsApp ID has been created with fake number, and this is fake ID. So this is the trick. I hope you like this video, and this application website link is in the description to download. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. So bye bye guys.